Hello friends, good evening. This is Jimmy Chris Jimarok. This is also my YouTube channel. I have got an opportunity to take little break amid of busy schedules. All day I was traveling and driving vehicles. At this very pleasant evening, I would like to show you the very beautiful and wonderful natures that is view from Gurban Bazar, near to Gurban Bazar Bridge. And I hope you guys will enjoy seeing the wonderful nature that it is a sunset. So guys, take a look. Rupengrang ya sing bege pa biapunga salni napanga chi bara andal simsim dakang ingo chirengni nitho bege pa chingchet dakle teng traka ko ansung nak naman ninga ya nitho bege pa aramrang bano ba draw ka painting ka dona gita chacha nakna gita ansung man ninga hai yan dagpa sal sumairang ko nakna manani ansung ku siok na aru ya chiera jajong nabas khainga. Friends, you might be thinking that this is a sun, shadow of the sun, but it is definitely not. This is the moon that is coming up, and here at the another adjacent side we can view the beautiful sunset. Okay, and these are the beautiful nature that is occurred in the evening. I thank God for giving me this opportunity to view a wonderful nature. So this is very pleasant evening. I was wholly tired of driving up and down from Abima to Razabala, Chura, Zengzal, but I have reached back home, and by this evening I have come to shop some things from Gurban Bazar, but it is a wonderful place, so I stopped my vehicle and taking a video. So guys, I hope that you enjoy the scenic beauty of nature in the evening. So if you wanted to take a look, please come out at the very pleasant evening every day. Today whole day it was so sunny day, but at this juncture, at this very pleasant evening, it is wonderful view of the nature. So thank you guys. See you next day.